Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Safeway haul for you guys. I spent a total of $71.52 and I had a saving of $41.83. And I went in for a few deals. There was a $10 off of 50 or more. And I found some Ibotta deals, and then I had a few things that were offered for free. We've been out of town, just got back, and Safeway, I guess, noticed that I wasn't shopping with them, and so they sent me a few free things. First thing I got was this big box of organic baby spinach. We like to keep this in the fridge. It's great for all kinds of things, and that wasn't on sale. It's just always $5. And then we love these tomatoes on the vine. These are always $5 when you can find them. They're not always in stock, but we were lucky. I had my two teenagers with me, and my daughter saw these cinnamon rolls that were on clearance for 99 cents, or $1.99 or 99 cents. $1.99. So those were $1.99. These chili lime chips were $1.25, Safeway brand. They already dug into them. And then I found this non-bread. I actually have my bread maker going with pizza dough. And I wanted to do a few variations because I had frozen pepperoni. I had some marinara sauce in the fridge I wanted to use up. And I really kind of want to go through my flour. So I decided to make like a bunch of homemade pizzas today. And then I saw these. These were on clearance for 99 cents. And there was only 2 packs. I'm not going to freeze them. We're going to do the chicken Alfredo pizza with these. And these were originally $5. So great deal on those. So yeah, we'll do the chicken Alfredo pizza with that. I had frozen chicken in the freezer that I thawed out overnight. And it's going to be delicious, I'm sure. These Lucerne cheeses were 74 cents, limited 2. Great deal. You could get shredded or sliced. We have a lot of shredded cheese in the fridge and freezer, so I just got some sliced. These sausages were $1.99, and they're really good because you can just throw them in the air fryer or just warm them up or whatnot and do like a little saute or whatnot. My husband really likes them for work. Now the Yoplait were 39 cents. And then Safeway was also giving me $1 off of 10, so making them 29 cents each. And then I think Ibotta's giving me 10 cents or something back. And then their Mexican style, well, the sour cream was on sale 2 for $4, but I got the Mexican style because we really, really like it. And then Safeway was giving me $1.25 off of 2. So great deal. And then the coffee creamer we like, the Silk Almond Coffee Creamer. It's good till August 21st. They were on sale for $3.99, so I got caramel creme brulee and French vanilla. And yeah, those will be great. Their Caesar salad kits were 3 for $10. I got 3, and then their peppers were super expensive. They were almost $2 each. I think $1.67 each. I got 2 for the pizza today. Hamburger buns were 89 cents because we have a lot of hot dog buns. We have a lot of hot dogs in the freezer. And then they were offering me this energy drink for free. I don't usually like energy drinks, but my husband will drink it. And then this sweet and tangy barbecue sauce was also for free. And I believe the price was actually, do you guys remember how much this was? It's kind of expensive, and it's a glass bottle. It's not plastic. It's very heavy. Bananas, I don't even know how much they were. I got chamomile tea, 3 something a box. We love this chamomile tea. This brand is really good. And then I got an Alfredo sauce for under $2, $1.70 something. And then these pickles were $3.49. And then they had grapes for 88 cents a pound. I got green and red grapes. So this is what I got. Keep in mind, I also had $10 off of 50. So that was taken off as well. I feel like I didn't pay that much. Just a little over $71 is not bad for all this food. And I'm going to scan in my Ibotta and my Fetch Rewards. And then my daughter went to Starbucks because they have a Starbucks inside and they always give out free ice waters. So we got some free ice waters as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're interested in Fetch or Ibotta, I'll leave my links down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.